want to be different in 10 minutes' time?
What I want to be different in 10 minutes' time? I want to feel more relaxed.
Okay, to feel more relaxed. Yeah. All right, good. And just right now or in life, is there a specific?
I think in life, just in general. Yeah.
Okay, let's do a bit of contrast then. Make yourself not relaxed. Go. Okay, good, good. And what would you do with your breathing?
It would be sort of...
Just do it, just do it, just do it. What would you do? And if it's overwhelming, you can stop at any point, right? You're the boss. Who's the boss? Okay. Tense your breathing, maybe your feet, abdominals.
So I would breathe quite deep
Mm-hmm.
and into my chest. So that's where I feel, if I feel stressed.
Okay.
So yeah, the breathing would be quite deep and I would breathe into my chest and sort of, I feel like the breathing sort of feeds it as well.
Great, you're an embodiment coach already. You're doing great. You've just learned it. A little shake, little wriggle. So sometimes just shaking it off is helpful. Shake your legs, shake your legs. You ever see a dog that gets out of water and just kind of shakes itself? Yeah. Okay, so how would you breathe the opposite of that?
I think the breath would be shorter.
Okay, so just give it a go.
Okay. Yeah, so it would be shorter, not as deep, just sort of, just light. You know?
Okay, light breath. Okay, some people when they relax deep breathe, but light makes sense to me as well. Yeah, so it's not, yeah?
So yeah, so it's not sort of breathing into the tightness. I don't know if that makes sense.
Okay, so a light, smooth breath. And can you soften the edges of the breath? So it's not like breathe it in, breathe out. Makes sense? Let's try that a little bit. Yeah. Okay, and should we try this just a little bit of walking? So see if you can keep that breath light and soft as you stroll around. Shaking your legs, letting the knees be soft. Relaxing your shoulders. Maybe tense your shoulders up, tense your shoulders up. Okay, then let go. Then tense up, and then let go slowly. Okay, one more time. And let go to a count of 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More relaxed? Okay, great. So there's a few things you can take away and use. The smooth breathing, where you smooth the edges of the breathing. The shoulder tense and release, the little shake. It's a silly little thing, but it really helps, yeah?
But what can you do if you are in a situation? So I can't, you know, like, let's say I'm talking to someone and
Yep.
I feel offended.
Yes.
I don't want to show it, but if I feel like I'm already breathing in and it's quite tight in my chest, I can't start, shaking.
Yeah. So the shaking one we can't always use. The breath is one you can always work with. So it's like, we can always breathe, right? It's like if that's gone, it's a bad situation. So this is why the shaking is great, but I like to teach centering techniques that are really simple, like feel your feet on the ground. Mm-hmm. Or bend your knees slightly, or smooth the breath, because they're things you can always use. Does that make sense? Another one would be the eyes, so softening the head, softening the eyes, sorry. So you can see both my fingers. See both my fingers at once? At once?
But am I supposed to?
Yeah, so looking it forward, but seeing both the fingers.
Yeah,
Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Great, that feels very different as a coach. It's like all of a sudden. The other one is, you'll see this in a lot of ex-communists, people from ex-communist countries, their jaws are tight. Mm-hmm. So can you give your jaw a little wiggle? Yeah, and just have the lips slightly apart, so you don't have to be like, but just slightly apart. Yeah. Yeah. So something to practice, right? Yeah. A lot of this is like cross your arms, and then cross them the other way. It feels really strange, right? So it's kind of like that. It's just